So this is an experiment with breadfruit, or Artocarpus altilis. It's a very carbohydrate-rich fruit, very popular in the Caribbean. It will be something like a potato, but the texture is a little bit different. It's a harder texture, but it's a delicious fruit. If you boil it and pour some olive oil, it's delicious. If you prepare tostones, it's crispy. The fruit has been classified as an underutilized fruit with great economic potential by the International Treaty of Plant Genetic Resources for Food and Agriculture. So internationally, it is recognized as a tree or as a crop with great potential for growers. If you harvest today, you will have to process them as early as the next couple of days, because otherwise they go soft very quickly. There are differences in varieties. Some you can store like for a week or two without any problem. These trees can grow very tall, even 50 feet, which makes it very hard to harvest and adds to labor. So what we're trying to do is mechanically prune the trees and see if yields are affected. We're testing right now eight varieties which differ in texture and carbohydrate content. So all of them are grafted onto a common rootstock to be able to compare these varieties equally. They are provided with sprinkler irrigation, as you can see, which we use as supplemental irrigation during the dry months. We hope to have a good product for the grower in the near future.